Hello and welcome to Vielha, Val, where we're going to be showing you this beautiful duplex 2-bedroom apartment minutes from Vielha with Montcorbison in the distance. If you want to be well located and you want a beautiful place with the mountains surrounding you with a southern, eastern, and western orientation, this is the place. We're going to step inside now. You see we have this nice sized balcony for storing wood. We step into a fully remodeled duplex apartment. When I mean fully remodeled, I mean fully remodeled. All of the windows have been changed. As you can appreciate now, there's no exterior noise. We've got new hardwood floors, chimney with wood fireplace, amazing orientation. If you want sun, this is unbelievable. Nice big living room with a fully rebuilt kitchen. All the appliances you need. Plenty of light. You even have a little window here looking towards Montcorbison in a westerly direction. Gas heating, new heater. Amazing. So here we have one double bedroom, one fully remodeled bathroom, and another double bedroom. This is the entrance to the apartment. And then we have a small attic upstairs. So first, let's go check out the bathroom. New shower. Look at that sink top. They really made this place beautiful. Window. There's exterior parking outside, which I'll show you guys in a little bit. Plenty of storage space here for cleaning supplies. And a nice big double shower. Well, double shower, no. A nice big one-person shower. Okay, we'll go immediately to the left, where we have a double room currently with 2 twin beds. Once again, we have plenty of light with the new windows. A real cozy mountain feeling with the slanted beams. Once again, there's the exterior parking, just minutes from the marvelous village of Vielha. And now we see the room here could easily build closet space if you needed closets for storing more clothing. Now we step back out. Back into the living room. Here's another aspect of the living room. And we'll go see the other double bedroom. Impeccable. Here we have a nice double bed. Storage. I can show you the views from here as well. Pretty impressive, I know. Now we go back into the living room. Another view of the living room. Ceilings are nice and high, so you don't have any sensation of being closed in. It's a perfect little duplex. And now we go up this narrow stairwell, apt for youngsters more than anything, but there is a double bed here. As you can see, I can't quite stand up. Oh yeah, I can stand up completely. And I'm 175 centimeters tall. Little window here. Looking, I can't probably see much there. There's a single bed there. And a ventilation window there and some storage here. Really marvelous. Now we'll go back downstairs. Here we go, let's go. Boom, boom, boom. That's it. That's a wonderful apartment. I'll continue the video from the outside so you can see. Okay, so now we've stepped outside to the exterior of the home. This is the building right on the roundabout. 4 neighbors, strong community, no problems. Up behind the house on the other side here is the exterior parking lot. You also will always have plenty of parking here just down the road. There's a limousine there you could always park behind. Kind of fun to have a limousine in the neighborhood. Now we'll quickly go beep, 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 beep to the front of the building. We're just like minutes from Mercadona, minutes from Caprabo, minutes from Pincho amazingness. So here's the building. So we're on the road, and that's the duplex up top that we just visited. But what's really great is you're so close, but there's no problem whatsoever with sound because everything's new. So you have to be in relatively decent condition because check that out, Montcorbison there in the distance. Beautiful. You have to be in relatively decent condition because we got some stairs. So if you're ready to warm up your legs in the morning before you go ski or get stronger thighs carrying your supermarket food home, this is the place. Okay, so we've come up to the main entrance. Yeah, and then we go up here. You see that? And now we're at the house. And I think it would be good. We'll just take one last look just to see how amazing this place is. Can't beat it. Be in touch soon because this property is not going to last. There's the tunnel of Vielha. When there's no clouds, well, it looks like you're in the Alps. Kerwin Real Estate. Síguenos.